Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious sweet fruit green smoothie. So let's get to cooking. So we're going to start off with Bartlett pears, Granny Smith green apples, lime, and kiwi. So the first thing that we're going to do is give our fruit a good wash. I'm using white vinegar, of course. If you've watched my videos before, you know that's my preference for cleaning my produce with water. So I let it soak and then I scrub the fruit and then rinse it off with plain clean water. So now that my water is soaking, I am going to cut my kiwis. And I am using a couple of kiwi fruit. Kiwi is high in vitamin C and dietary fiber, and this is in addition to the delicious tart flavor it has. I've also purchased gold kiwi fruit, which is pretty interesting, but this is the green kind. And kiwi fruit is also known as Chinese gooseberry. Just a little interesting tidbit about the fruit. The nutrients in kiwi can help reduce blood pressure and help your bowel health. So it's great to take food that can give us the vitamins and nutrients that we need so that we don't have to take so many different supplements in pill form. Some people peel their kiwi with a spoon, but I find it just as easy to use a paring knife. Now I'm using one lime, the juice of one lime, and lime is also high in vitamin C and antioxidants. I am cutting up my Granny Smith apple. I am using the peel. The Granny Smith apple is rich in vitamin C, A, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, is the old saying. And now I'm cutting up Bartlett pears. The pear is rich in fiber, vitamin C and K, potassium, and antioxidants. So it really is incredible to be able to get so many nutrients that our body needs in the form that tastes delicious. So this smoothie is very fruity. So if you're new to juicing or blending fruits and vegetables, you may want to start off with fruits like this one so that the taste is palatable. And then as you get more and more used to it, you can add more vegetables. Now, instead of adding water to my smoothie, I like to add tea. So I'm just boiling water in a pot as I decide which tea bag I want to use, either hibiscus tea or the green peach ginger. Now, I like this Calphalon pot because it has a spout on the side. I decided to go with the ginger peach turmeric, and because the pot has the spouts, it's easy to pour into my mason jar over my tea bag. I used to have a tea kettle, but then something happened to it, so now I just use a stainless steel pot. So you want to make the tea and let it steep for a good 5 or 10 minutes and then let it cool completely before you mix it in your blender. You can even make your tea the night before, and we're not adding any sugar, honey, or sweeteners to this. So this is going to be a healthy green smoothie. So I'm just adding in my Granny Smith apple and my pears. I love the green color. It's just so bright and vibrant. The kiwi is going in there. And now I'm using my juicer to juice half of the lime, and I'm going to put all the lime juice. If you have organic limes, then you can certainly put the lime peel in there. In my freezer, I had some bananas and some kale that was previously frozen, so I used one banana and a couple of handfuls of kale. So now that my ginger peach turmeric tea has cooled down, I'm pouring it. You could pour in 4 or 5 ounces and start blending to see if that gives you the consistency that you like. If not, then you can add more tea or you can add more fruit or kale to get the consistency that you like. So I'm turning on my Vitamix blender. I love this blender. It's well made. It should last forever. When your blender stops, you can use the tamper or damper to push down into your blender cup in order to loosen up the produce so that it will continue to blend and not burn out your motor. So there we have it. Now we're blending, and you're going to see how vibrant this color gets in just a short while. Look at that, y'all. Green goodness. It just looks healthy, doesn't it? And the best thing is it tastes as delicious as it is healthy. So there we have it, a green smoothie. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.